The renovation is almost done.
Yes, the house looks new.
But look at this wall.
It is very empty.
It needs something big.
Maybe a big painting?
No, we need storage.
We have many books.
How about a bookshelf?
A floor-to-ceiling one?
Yes, a huge bookshelf.
We can put books there and my photo albums.
That is a great idea.
I will go buy one.
You want to go alone?
Yes, I have time today.
Choose a nice color.
Trust my taste. Can I help you?
Yes, I need a bookshelf.
We have many different styles.
I want a large one.
Look at this model here.
It looks very tall.
It has drawers at the bottom.
That is useful for storage, and the shelves are adjustable.
I have big art books.
You can make big spaces and small paperbacks, too.
You can make small spaces.
I like the drawers and shelves.
What color do you like?
Do you have white?
Yes, white is popular.
Okay, I will take it.
Do you need delivery?
Yes, please deliver it.
When is a good time?
Is Saturday morning okay?
Yes, Saturday at 10. Do you need installation service?
No, thank you. We will install it ourselves.
Are you sure? It is big.
Yes, we can do it.
Hello? Delivery for Sarah Smith? Yes, that is my wife. I have 3 large boxes. They look very heavy. Where do you want them?
Just inside the door, please.
I will put them here. Thank you for your help. Please sign your name here.
Okay, signing now.
Here is your receipt. Thanks. Do you see this number? The number at the bottom. Yes, that is for after sales. If there is a problem, call that number anytime. That is good to know. Have a nice day. You too. Goodbye.
Is that my bookshelf?
Yes, it just arrived.
I am so excited.
It is 3 big boxes.
Let's open them now.
Are you ready to work?
Yes, give me the cutter.
Be careful, it is sharp.
I am cutting the tape.
Open the flaps.
Look at the white color.
It looks very clean.
It matches our wall.
You made a great choice.
Do you like it?
Yes, I really like it. But there is so much foam.
It protects the wood.
Let's take pieces out.
Place them on the floor.
We need a lot of space.
The living room is full.
Where is the manual?
It is here.
What tools do we need?
Hammer and screwdriver.
Are they in the box?
No, check your toolbox.
Where is my toolbox?
In the closet.
I have the tools.
Where are the screws?
In this plastic bag.
Did you count them?
Yes, all here.
Do not lose them.
I need a bowl.
Why need a bowl?
To hold screws.
That is smart.
Are we ready now?
Yes, let's start.
Pick up this big board.
It is very long.
Hold your end tight.
I have it. Move slowly.
Watch out for the box.
Ouch, my foot.
Oh no, are you okay?
It hit my toe.
Sit down quickly.
It hurts so much.
Let me see. It is a little red.
I need a minute.
I will get ice.
Thank you, honey.
Just rest on the sofa.
I am sorry, I dropped it.
Don't apologize. Health first. Does the ice help?
Yes, it feels better.
Take your time.
The pain is gone now.
Are you sure?
Yes, let's finish this.
I lift the heavy board.
I hold the screws.
Hold this board vertical.
Is it straight now?
Yes, hold it there.
Here is the screw.
Turn it to the right.
Is it tight enough?
Yes, it is solid.
Now build the drawers.
How do we start?
Fold the side panels.
Like this. Fold up.
Yes, click them together.
It made a sound.
Now insert the bottom.
Slide it into groove.
Screw in the handle.
The drawer is done.
Put it in, now slide it on rails.
Push it in gently.
It moves very smoothly.
We are a good team.
Yes, step by step.
Wait a minute.
What is wrong?
Look at part C.
It looks fine here.
The holes are up.
Check the manual again.
Look at this picture.
Oh, I see it.
The holes face down.
We installed it backwards.
We rushed too much.
You are right. We must fix it.
Is it hard work?
No, just 4 screws.
Get the drill ready.
Set to reverse mode.
Remove the screws.
I take the board out.
Flip it over quickly.
Put it back in.
Tighten the screws again.
Is it correct now?
Yes, perfect match.
That was fast.
It is finally done.
Stand back and look.
It is huge and beautiful.
The white color is perfect.
Let's fill it up.
Put the heavy books down here.
Art books on the bottom.
Where's the photo album?
In the brown box. Put it at eye level.
We can see memories easily.
I have some crafts too.
The ceramic vase.
Yes, put it on top.
It looks like a library.
It is so cozy now.
The empty wall is gone.
I feel so proud.
Good job, honey.
Now we can rest a bit.
Hi, are you new here?
Yeah, just moved in.
What's your name?
I'm Jake, and you?
I'm Emma. Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too.
Where are you from originally?
I'm from Chicago.
Oh, cool. I love Chicago.
Yeah, it's a great city.
What do you do here?
I work in marketing.
Do you like it?
I enjoy it.
Do you know anyone here yet?
Not really, just you.
Don't worry, people are friendly.
That's good to hear.
Do you live nearby now?
Yeah, right down the street.
Maybe we can hang out.
I'd like that.
Do you like coffee shops?
I love coffee.
There's a great one nearby.
Let's go sometime.
What music do you like?
Mostly pop and rock.
Same here. I love pop.
Any favorite artists?
I like Taylor Swift.
She's great.
Do you play any sports?
I play basketball sometimes.
There's a park nearby.
We can play sometime.
Do you have weekend plans?
Not really, nothing big.
Maybe we can grab lunch.
That sounds good.
Awesome. Let's stay in touch.
For sure. Here's my number. Hi, is this flight delayed?
Yes, it's delayed now.
How long is the delay?
About 1 hour.
Oh, okay, that's fine.
Thanks for your patience.
Do we stay here?
Yes, please wait here.
Will you update us?
Yes, we will update.
I hope it's soon.
We hope so too.
Any reason for delay?
Weather issues right now.
That makes sense.
Thanks for understanding.
Can I grab food now?
Yes, food is allowed.
Will I miss updates?
No, we announce loudly.
Hi, any new updates?
Yes, delayed again.
Oh no, how long?
Another 30 minutes.
This is frustrating.
I totally understand.
Is the weather worse now?
Yes, still very bad.
I hope it clears.
Should clear soon.
Can I charge here?
Yes, outlets are there.
Thanks, I need it.
No problem at all.
Will boarding change too?
Likely, yes, a little.
Please keep us updated.
Of course we will.
I'll just wait here.
Thank you for waiting.
Hope we fly soon.
Me too, definitely.
Hi, my kitchen sink's clogged.
How bad is it?
Water won't go down.
How long has it clogged?
Since this morning.
Did you try plunging it?
Yes, but no luck.
Any food stuck inside?
Maybe some veggies.
Okay, I can check.
Thanks, I need help.
Do you have a bucket?
Yes, right here.
Great, put it under the sink.
Yes, under the pipe.
Okay, got it. I'll loosen this pipe.
Will water spill out?
Yes, a little bit.
That's okay.
Looks like food buildup.
Can you remove it?
Yes, give me a minute.
Take your time.
Okay, blockage is out.
Really? That was fast.
Let's test the water.
Turning the faucet on.
Great, it flows now.
It drains fast, no more clog issue.
Thank you so much.
Happy to help.
How can I prevent this?
Don't dump food here, even small pieces.
Yeah, avoid them too.
Got it. I'll be careful.
Call me anytime again.
Thanks, I appreciate it. Hi, I need to pay this ticket.
Let me see it.
It's a parking ticket.
When was this issued?
Yesterday morning.
Were you parked downtown?
Yes, near Main Street.
That area is strict.
Yeah, I can tell.
Do you know the amount?
It says $50.
That looks right. Can I pay here?
You can pay here.
Do you take cards?
Yes, cards are fine.
I'll use card. Please stop it here.
Done. Payment went through.
Your ticket's paid?
Do I get a receipt?
Yes, I'll print one.
Thanks.
Here you go.
How can I avoid this?
Watch the signs carefully.
Even small signs.
Yes, those matter too.
Parking rules are tough.
Pretty tough here.
Do people get tickets often?
Yeah, pretty often actually.
That makes sense now.
Anything else you need?
Anything else you need?
All right, have a good day.
You too, thanks.
Hi, I need some meat.
What kind of meat?
I want some chicken breast.
How many pounds today?
Maybe 2 pounds.
Fresh or frozen chicken?
Fresh, please.
Okay. Anything else needed?
Do you have ground beef?
Yes, we have plenty.
How's the fat level?
90-10, very lean.
That sounds perfect.
How much would you like?
Just 1 pound.
Anything else for cooking?
Do you sell pork chops?
Yes, right over here.
These look really good.
Want a pack today?
Maybe not today.
No problem at all.
Do you have turkey slices?
Yes, deli section here.
I'll take some, please.
How many slices today?
About 8 slices.
Okay, 8 slices here.
Is the meat fresh daily?
Yes, delivered each morning.
That's important.
Anything else you need?
No, that's everything.
I'll weigh them now.
Thanks for your help.
You're welcome.
I'll pay over there.
Hey, long time no see.
I know, it's been forever.
How have you been?
I've been pretty good.
Still working at the bank?
No, I left recently.
Oh, really? What happened?
Just wanted a change.
That makes sense.
Yeah. How about you lately?
Busy, but doing fine.
Still living downtown?
No, moved last month.
Where did you move?
I'm in North Hills now.
Oh, nice. Great area.
Yeah, I like it.
Do you still play tennis?
Not much these days.
Why? Too busy now?
Yeah, work gets crazy.
I totally understand.
Do you still travel often?
Not really anymore.
Oh, what changed?
Just saving money now.
That's smart, honestly.
Do you miss traveling?
I miss it.
We should plan something.
Yeah, that'd be great.
Maybe somewhere close first.
That sounds good.
Maybe a weekend trip.
Perfect. I love that.
Let's pick a date.
Let's talk this week.
I'll text you.
Great. Can't wait.
Same here. Really excited.